Alright, hi everyone and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be showing you one reason why your dirt bike or pit bike might be making a weird rattling noise. As you can see, I've removed the case cover on the left side of the engine, revealing the flywheel, and that might be what's making the noise, the rattling noise on your bike. I'm just going to start my bike up and then show what the noise sounds like. The rattling that was happening at the when the bike was idling is the flywheel coming forwards and backwards and moving. But all you need to do to fix this is just get a long screwdriver. Get a long screwdriver and a ratchet. My bolt's 4mm, and tighten the bolt up. So you can see behind the flywheel there is the magneto, but if you turn the flywheel to up here, there is no magneto. So you put the screwdriver where there is no magneto, and then just move it, so it just gets wedged in, and then get your ratchet and turn it to, if it focuses, turn it to right for tighten. Then you can just ratchet the bolt, holding the screwdriver so the flywheel can't turn, and tighten this bolt. You have to do it quite tight because it does sometimes undo by itself. But do be careful when doing this because you can sometimes break the flywheel. I'll just do a quick start up now to show the difference when the flywheels were tightened. As you can see, now that the flywheel is tightened, there's no rattling noises. It can sometimes just come loose by itself, or if you've changed maybe the magneto or the wood rough key, and you haven't tightened up properly, that can kind of cause it to go loose. But I hope that's helped. If you do have any questions, please ask in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.